Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Evan Roberts with EJR Books, creator of the Kahari series and founder of Empowered People Press, here with another YouTube video for you, sharing the top tips for publishing success. Let's do it. So one of the questions that we're obsessed with at Empower People Press is, how do you start a publishing business and make it successful? Make it where you are earning a lot of money from the book sales that you've created, as well as having a huge impact on your readers. And one of the resources that I use, especially as we get closer to the end of the year, is Publishers Weekly. If you're not familiar, Publishers Weekly is a publication, trade publication that basically keeps the statistics on the book industry. So you have information about sales, you have information about book signings, book deals, the whole nine. And it's a really great resource because they teach you exactly what's happening in the industry, and you can use that information to help you move forward with whatever plans that you have in place. Let me give you an idea of how I use it. So Publishers Weekly has a section where it's basically the top selling books of the year. And if you click on that section on their website, you will find where it actually goes back about 10 years worth of information that you can use. So what I am doing right now, I'm actually on my computer and I'm hopping right there now to the best books of 2022. And then I'm going right to the children's section since that's the genre that I write. And I can take a look, and they actually segment it out for you. So you can look at the top selling books in the picture book category, middle grade books, as well as YA or young adult. So I'm going to take a look at picture books here. And they give me an entire list right now. So I can see right now the top selling books for the year. All right. And the titles as well as the storyline. So it gives me a little bit of a synopsis of each and every book and the top book for that particular category. Now, how do you use this information? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about next. So part of experiencing publishing success is making sure that you are aware of what is selling, what is in demand, what people are going to the stores or going online and looking for. So what Publishers Weekly allows you to do is basically have a pulse of what the industry is like at the moment. The sales data alone is really, really good for helping you to determine what types of books are selling, from one year to the next, and then also helping you to plan out what types of topics you might want to write your stories on in the coming year, right? So you can use the information from Publishers Weekly's top 10 lists to help you determine, where you want to focus moving forward for your own writing. And I use this all the time. For me, I look at Publishers Weekly, I look at their list, and it's not that I'm going to write the exact titles of the same exact books that are listed there, but I ask myself, what does this book speak to? Right? What is it? What about the book is kind of a universal theme or a universal idea that can translate to a book that I might want to create in the coming year? And I use that as a way to jumpstart where I want to focus for the upcoming year. So if you're not using this tool, I highly recommend going to Publishers Weekly, just going to the website. You don't even have to have a subscription. They give you a lot of free information just by going to the website alone and looking up the top 10 lists for your specific genre, and then using that information to help you determine where you want to go next. One thing you might want to do is you read the list and then you go to the library, you check those books out, or maybe you want to purchase those books and then you read through them, and those books help to give you some new ideas on what types of stories you want to pursue in the coming year. All right, everybody. Well, I hope that was helpful. Again, as we plan out and get ready for 2023, you have to work smarter, not necessarily harder. And using these tools that are readily available to you will help to save time, energy, money, but they'll also put you on a path to what's actually selling, what's working, what people are looking for. And it'll help you to narrow down and niche down exactly what areas you want to focus in for 2023. So as we wrap things up, again, this is Evan Roberts with EJR Books, creator of the Kahari series and founder of Publishing Success. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. Hope you guys got some good nuggets from this. Make sure you're using Publishers Weekly. I guarantee you'll find some nuggets in those articles and in the top 10 lists that you can use for years to come. Take care, guys.